Oh boy, and here we are back again. It's been... What did I say? I think I posted a video in August saying, oh, I'm just going to be away for 3 weeks. And today is the 13th of October, Friday the 13th. It's in Spooktober, as r/dank memes would say. I don't really get the spooky parts of October, but yes, like guys, welcome back. You what?
I like how Moraine is like. I like how Luca is just going to leave us at the screen for 15 minutes, only to be able to make a stream shorter.
Yeah, that was the plan. I did try it, but he's too smart for us, and for me in particular, it doesn't work on him. God damn it. So yeah, guys, welcome back to the streams. Streams, I'm saying with an S, because I do plan to make these regular. And actually, with things happening in my life and me being solo for a while, I mean, going to be solo in about 2 or so weeks, I think I'll have the opportunity to actually stream more frequent. With my schedules, workloads, personal life, and stuff like that, I think it's going to be doable. The only problem is content, because I've been out of this thing for so long, man. I've just like... I told Marin this, man. I've lost all my mojo. I don't even know what I'm doing lately. But yeah, these things should be coming back along with more videos. Hopefully soon, very soon. I just need to get to work. But yeah, welcome back to the stream. I know it's been a while. I said 3 weeks and now it's what, 2 months later, so oops on my end, definitely. But yeah, Dermy, Toshio, and again joined by our fabulous guest as always, the big size here. Yep. That's great.
Hello.
Moraine is here in the chat as well. Jeffed, welcome back to another stream. Glad to see you guys all huddled up together. And yeah, I was thinking about today's content, and honestly, I don't think I have any creative energy to try and dick around with something new. So EBS
questing system.
Oh no. I mean, you already have the scrub version of the questing system made by Marin, and then you got a better one by Medj. So the third one, overkill a bit. But I've been getting plenty of bug. What?
I had to make the meme.
Oh, you had to? Yeah, of course. I know. Marin, questing system when? How's the Poketch going on? Or the battle system? Wink, wink. But no, I was thinking, I've been getting plenty of bug reports for EBS. I mean, it's nothing too game-breaking, you know, but it's some things here and there, mainly with the UI and some of the particle effects that are in there. So one of those was that, like, the charge particle effects for the special mode thingy appeared when you were, like, exiting from the party screen, which is a no-no. And then another one being, like, not all of the UI is adaptive for any screen size, mainly the bag UI. So I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to tackle that, because those need, you know, proper fixed positions to actually look nice. But I'm going to try and make them dynamically, you know, and variably adjust the screen size. It's pretty much
good luck.
The only thing I can do. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. I've also been told that my effectiveness descriptors above the moves are not actually up to standards when it comes to Gen 7 stuff, which honestly I don't really care about too much, and I don't have a copy of Sun and Moon to test this out, so I'll need to do some more digging, and then I mean, it should be easy enough. I actually have a 3DS with Sun and Moon. It was an excuse. It was an excuse. I was trying to get away from it.
Sorry, I can't like you.
Yeah. No, I'm joking. But it's definitely something. I'm just reading off the bugs, the lists I've written myself, you know, with all the emails and stuff I've been getting. It's just one of those things that I guess has to be done eventually. I mean, I will do it. It's not a huge deal, but I guess to some people it is. So I will get into it. Then there's like some bag UI elements which like disappear for eternity and then don't come back. Some of them don't have mouse functionality, which honestly, the mouse functionality in RMXP games, you know, without any like fancy exe rewrites and stuff like that, are not that great, because your frame drops a lot when you move the mouse inside of the game window. So that's not cool. And then we have some other stuff with animations. Apparently there's a bug when gaining EXP during capture. I haven't tested this out. I've never used the capture gain EXP thingy, so I'll try that today. And then again, back button in UI doesn't reappear, blah, blah, blah. Some of the bag UI elements are not like rendered. I mean, the text on them is not rendered through the actual scripts. So there was this one guy that actually came to me and said, you know, how about changing that so we can export all the text and the files for translations? And that makes sense, to be honest. So I'm going to look into that as well. Positioner.exe is still broken. It sets undiscovered compatibilities to 85. I don't know why. I didn't like the Positioner.exe actually now piggybacks off the compiler scripts from the current version of Essentials, because what I've done is I've actually had the Positioner scripts inject all your current game scripts inside. That way it sets like the different constants for the battle system, scales for the sprites and stuff like that, so it actually looks like it would look in game. And this was the only way I could figure out to do that. So, and I've also like deleted everything when it comes to the compiler inside of the script, so it should just load the scripts that are native in your project. So I don't know why it breaks it, but I did confirm this bug. I did try it out like 30 minutes ago and it was there. And yeah, it's a fair amount of work, I think, but yeah, should be okay. What's the chat saying? What's the, what mod you never had? You never had Mojo. Haha, haha. Yeah, that's true. That's true. It's good to see you back. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. Oh, Aki, welcome back as well. Nice to have you back. Yes, nice to have me back. Yeah, Aki's here. And Scott is here. Nerds. Oh, man. We're such nerds. And we didn't even start talking about anime yet. At least publicly, right?
Yeah, we did,
but not publicly. Yeah. Warm up for the vocals, you know. Kudos to my waifu. Got 3 tutorials ready. I just need to upload them. Maruno is saying I got 3 tutorials ready. I just need to upload them. Technically, I do have 3 tutorials ready. I need to record one, and I need to edit and render all 3. So I still haven't done, you know, gotten around to that.
GG no re.
Yeah, GG no re. At least you don't have a Pokémon Lucas there. Yeah. Pokémon? I don't know how that's supposed to be pronounced. But yeah, you know, dual screens, I'm not a huge...
In the Danish dub, at least they pronounced it Poketch, like actually pronounced in English.
I'm trying. I don't know. It's like I get it. It's supposed to be. Is this supposed to be a watch, like a Poke Watch, like the Apple Watch, but for?
I think it's literally going. It actually looks like a fucking Pebble. Except,
yeah, like those smartwatches.
Like except dot matrix.
Except what?
Except with a green dot matrix.
Yes. That is true. What's Scott testing? Scott, what are you testing? Oh, maybe the chat. Are you doing this for the website tests? Relic Castle, you know, with the live stream integrations. I've never had any FPS drops with my mouse in the RGSS player. That's maybe... I don't know what the secret project you're working on has actually done to fix it. I did have a... I don't want to, you know, I don't want to say too much on stream. I don't want to put an emphasis on like the stuff behind the scene. But I did talk with the main dude of the secret stuff, dude, you know, and he was asking me today how I like the migration to RGSS 3. To be honest, I've not tested, when I was doing my mouse stress testing, I was mainly doing it with RGSS and not RGSS 3. I did try a few ports of RGSS 3 into XP, and like for my use cases and what I was doing in vanilla RMXP projects, I didn't see too much of a performance boost. Like I was able to get 60 frames per second regardless of RGSS 3 or not, on the native resolution thing. Only, you know, when blowing stuff up, then I got issues. And of course, angular transformations are still a butthole. But yeah, I've only seen one project in my entire life, like one RMXP project, where the frames didn't drop when moving the mouse. And that was actually, you know, Maruno, you know what I'm talking about. It's that project. So, yeah. Maybe you're testing there with your mouse in the RGSS player, but you're doing your own private project thingy, so you're talking about your own pocket. Catgirl shares.sexy. Blues Luca. Do you know what RGSS stands for? Really great Scott sister. Yep.
Wow. GG.
Yep. Really great Scott system. Thanks, Scott, for your enlightenment. I think everyone just became a little more intellectual. Their IQ rose. I could feel it.
You know, we have this joke, like a blonde joke in Denmark. A blonde immigrates to Sweden. The average IQ rises in both countries.
That's funny. I get it why. Really giant shitstorm. That's great, Marin. I don't know. Are you using Are you using my mouse module? Not module, but the mouse. What's the face class? The easy mouse thingy for your project? Because I don't know, whichever, even like vanilla RMXP projects, whenever I like, even if there are no mouse scripts, I just like move my cursor around and the frames drop for no reason. So I don't know. No problem. I'm glad to share my knowledge. Yes, man. Thank you a lot.
Speaking
Flash
of
Boys here. Hi.
Speaking of shitstorms, yesterday marked the day where Danish media actually used the word shitstorm unironically. So,
great guys, man. That's great.
Yep.
What was this other thing? I've been looking at memes recently a lot, browsing Reddit and stuff, and you know, some of those are not politically correct.
But you haven't been playing Steins Gate or Chaos Head or Chaos Child.
No, I don't. Like I've said, and even I know you said it's a visual novel. It's not a game. I actually consider those kind of, types of games. I don't play much. I didn't. Like I said, like throughout the last, I'd even go as far to say as like 5 years. The only games I pretty much played was like casually with my bros, some Mario Kart, maybe Smash when I'm over at their place.
They're literally
Breath of the
doubles,
Wild,
though.
and then what's it called? Pokemon ORAS and X and Y. When did X and Y come out? 2013 maybe.
Fuck if I remember, man. I didn't
because
even know.
So it falls in my 5-year time period thingy. So yeah, I guess. Oh, we want programming. Oh, come on, dude. We're just easing you guys into the programming thingy. And I don't know, one of my windows is not showing up. I don't know why.
Yeah, that's the RPG Maker XP that isn't showing up on stream yet.
Yeah.
The script editor is just fine.
Yeah, no, I can see it, but I don't know what's going on. I just need to kill the scene for a minute.
I suppose that might
Oops, we're back. There, I think that fixes it.
Oh wow.
Okay.
The bugs are just appearing on the stream right now, like the visual bugs.
Which ones? Oh, the ones when I'm clicking out. Yeah, it's not a bug. I was trying to switch the scene and it wouldn't let me because of my automatic scene switcher. So yay. Yay for convenience. It's not convenient when you need it. This smooth jazz background is so.
There we go.
Tier. Okay, top tier smooth jazz background is by bensound. If you go to bensound.com, it's called the Jazz Piano. So you can have your own jazz background. And to be honest, I don't even know if I set the right loop to play in the background. Can you say something?
You could also try. You could also try something new, and play just and enable song request.
Maybe that could be like for one of the future streams. I could do like song request types of things. Maybe. I don't know how I would set it up though with OBS.
Let's see, does Nightbot exist for YouTube?
Yeah, but I need something that will be integrated into OBS and like simply and lightweight. Because if I keep Chrome open in the background, my laptop just wants to die. So yeah. I can't do 50,000 things at once. Especially when it comes to streaming. Because I have currently OBS open. Audio processing, I got fireworks in the background, I got essentials, I got all the kind of stuff like I need in the background as well, Discord as well, and then put Chrome on top of it, like my RAM usage goes all the way up.
Well, you could
as
use
well as my
another
CPU.
browser than Chrome for that.
Yeah, the only two ones I have are Edge and Chrome, and come on, it's Edge. But okay, I'll definitely look into it. It's a good idea for the future. And it would be cool if you could like integrate it in the chat so people could, you know, like exclamation mark request and then
Yeah,
like,
that's a thing on Twitch at the very least. I don't know if it is on YouTube.
Yeah, I have no idea either.
Usually you're not sure. Well, okay, it is available on YouTube. So
Scott's saying, to be fair, you have to have a very high IQ to understand Pokemon Essentials. The development is extremely subtle, and without a solid grasp of theoretical programming, most of the eventing will go over your head. Nice Rick and Morty meme. I just want my Szechuan sauce.
Something. I'd like to interject for a moment. What you're referring to as Linux is in fact GNU/Linux, whereas I've recently been taken to calling it GNU plus Linux. Linux is not an operating system unto itself, but rather another free component of a fully functioning GNU system made useful by the GNU core libs, shell utilities, and vital system components, compromising a full OS as defined by POSIX. This is not the full copy pasta, by the way.
Yeah, I get it. It's r/I'm very smart. That's where that should be.
No, this is from lurkmore.com.
Oh.
Yes, that's an actual website.
Oh, what's Toshiro saying? Como faz uma animação? I don't know. Are you trying to ask me if I did a Mega Evolution animation? Because that exists. I'm trying to piece together the
Spanish
words. I'm sorry. I only speak that English. Edge. Have you not seen the full pasta? Yes, I have seen the full pasta. If you're talking about Rick and Morty stuff.
Something Nihongo de oke.
Oh boy. And I don't speak Japanese as well.
I don't. To be fair, I don't speak much either.
Yeah, but more than me. I can just say Nani. Omae wa mou shindeiru.
I can. Omae wa mou shindeiru. No, but I can say really simple shit. Like I can use maybe like simple adjectives, but I haven't really learned how to conjugate verbs yet.
But if it's grammar, you can still do more. Oh boy, is the automatic scene switcher not working? Haha, it's not.
Though, to be fair, I suppose I have like your average anime quotes that I've learned over the years.
Oh, I get what my scene switcher is not working. That's great. Okay, let's try this out now.
Why is my YouTube so retarded?
Guys, I'm gonna have to cut you off for a second as well while I fix this. Yeah.
Please read out.
My target windows are...
That Scott wants me to...
Sure, you can.
Yeah, are you still did you cut it off or...
No, I'm live. I just needed to, because I changed the... If I go to my main display, you can see like it's named 70 in the Pokemon Essentials because I want to keep track of what version I'm actually running, so...
fair enough. Let's see.
And that killed everything pretty much. In OBS.
Except the audio, I suppose.
And the audio... Yeah, the audio is fine. But the audio gets killed if I switch on to scenes without an audio. Hey, that makes so much sense. And Marin is pinging me for some reason. Stop it.
Wait, where?
The Essentials Rick and Morty pasta that you made. Oh, I didn't see the Essentials Rick and Morty pasta.
Okay, so you have to read it apparently.
Why?
Moraine
I
wants you
don't know how to open this thing from my phone.
Hold on, I'll just write it out in Discord.
Oh yeah, Discord's a thing. And somebody messaged me on Discord, Morning Dew. Hey, did you ever look at that issue? You... Not yet. But will really soon. Pinky promise. There we go. Oh, it's so... It's kind of hard trying to balance and work with everything at once. I'm so confused. Dude, you're typing up a storm.
No, I'm just
The mood sandstorm.
I'm actually just rewriting the copy pasta.
Why doesn't this guy want to let me on my phone? I don't understand this. I can't open links on my phone. Oh boy. Wait, let me focus in on this one. Go to channel, put user in. Oh, should I time out Marin? That'd be fun. Beep beep boop. Okay, Scott sent me. Ugh. Wait, let me open it up on my phone. I can't see crap on this screen over here. Well, text. I can't see text at least. That's a great start to the stream, guys. Guys, it was so professional, man. Awesome. Okay, so this is what he sent. To be fair, you have to have a very high IQ to understand Pokemon Essentials. The development is extremely subtle, and without a solid grasp of theoretical programming, most of the inventing will go over a typical developer's head. There's also Lucas' elite battle system, which is definitely woven into the Essentials code. Where am I? This code draws heavily from deep machine learning computing, for instance. The developers understand this stuff. They have the intellectual capacity to truly appreciate the depths of these codes, to realize that they're not just what make the game run. They say something deep about life. As a consequence, people who dislike Pokemon Essentials truly are idiots. Of course, they wouldn't appreciate, for instance, the brilliance in the whole concept of the PBS, which itself is a cryptic reference to Turgenev's, I don't know how to pronounce this thing. Yeah, Russian epics, Father and Sons. I'm smirking right now, just imagining one of those adlepted simpletons scratching their heads in confusion as Maruno's genius programming unfolds itself on their computer screens. What fools, how I pity them. It's...
Joy emoji.
It's pretty much beautiful. I like it. I do like it. It's relevant. It's meme-tastic. It's relevant on both ends. So, yeah.
I managed to rewrite to the point where, as a consequence, people who dislike before.
I typing out. I have it in place. Don't waste your time. Oh my god! Don't rewrite. Haha, lol. Marin is saying lol. Don't make him rewrite.
I was too concentrated.
Yeah, he's too concentrated. Man, you were typing up. It was raining keystrokes. At least they have the PBS editor.
That's not even my quickest speed.
Marin, nobody uses the PBS editor. It's for scrubs. It's much easier to use fingers to type in PBS. It's a true story. Okay, so one thing was switching out charged particle animation should not be happening. And I think... Let me just test out a few things. I think I know what could be wrong. This party. See, like you can see it subtly. It's just like for one frame. It becomes more obvious if I were to turn off battle bases, I think. Let me see. Use battle bases false. I don't know why this refreshes them. It shouldn't.
I'm a curry win. Just gonna say it again.
2020 confirmed.
Oh shit! I just realized I have a something I need to forward to my dad because
You okie dokie?
Yeah, I'm okay. Like it's just like a bill, I need to. My dad needs to pay.
No problem, dude. Do you. Do what you must. We shall be patiently awaiting your return.
I'll be staying here. Like, it's not that.
Oh, you'll be staying here. Oh, okay. It's not that far away.
Yeah, I just had to get my wallet so I could get like this Danish national ID thing that I need to log on to the net with. So.
Yeah, see, our country's not that advanced. We still gotta go, you know, bring the old papers physically to your local government authority and blah 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 blah. Okay, so as you can see, the bug is pretty much there. We should fix this one first. I don't know why it would get refreshed. Let me check. Actually, I don't think I do anything special with the switching UI. Let me see. This is the next gen UI. This is the item menu. Item menu is fine. Item menu should be just fine. Update main. Refresh. Maybe it's in the refresh thingy. Let me go back into sprites here. So charged is false. Oh, I get it. I think I know what it is. Charged opacity is 0, 0, and I think this is what overrides it. If I go into here. What's its face? There we go. Yeah, so okay, it's with visibility. If at hidden or not at charged.
Right.
So I think I need to plop that. Where's the visual visible? Self dot. Don't I have a self dot? Ah, there we go. Key. Aha. So. I need to do a conditional here. If key dot include C, because that's gonna denote the charge particles, and if it includes R, or key dot include what did it say? R. Else and so okay, val is going to be false if at hidden or not at is shadow, and val here is going to be false as well if at hidden or not at charged. Because this visible, I'm pretty sure, is what resets it. I don't want the visibility here.
Bananas.
And again, val is going to be false as well here. If I was thinking of something, I don't know exactly what it is I wanted it to be. If at, you know what, let's actually do it like so. If at hidden or at fainted. And this should be a quick and easy fix, I hope. I hope so. Probably. Oh, wait. Marin is sending me statistics. Let's see his... Oh! No, not the PBS Plus. It's got 3.6k downloads. Oh
how many downloads does the EBS have again?
I need to check goo.gl. And that's only including the... that's since the UPI update. I can't track from what it was before then because I don't have my... What's its face? I don't have my old server. What?
Oh, I'm moderator of the Steinsgate subreddit now, so I was like, oh, is that a new mock queue item?
Moving up in the world. Okay, so the EBS from the... I mean, the UPI in general has 10,205 downloads. So that's from my Google Drive. And the Pastebin is actually pretty crazy active in the last month or so. Let me fetch up the statistics here. Okay, so I currently have active, like, it's not active connections, but the master file has been viewed 70,000 times, a bit more, which makes sense, you know, every time people want to update their games and stuff like that. And the updater for EBS and everything else has actually been run around 60,000 times. So it's 59,910. The actual updater. So people have updated their plugins 59,000 times, 59,910 times. And that also includes my testing as well. So it's not, you know, it's not too representative of real world case, I guess. But yeah, just some numbers throwing out there because Maruno asked for them. Now let me get back to this. Okay, so I'm pretty confident I have fixed the ripples thingy. Shouldn't appear anymore with the visibility stuff. You know what PBS stands for? Pretty Baller Scott. Yeah, really great Scott system and Pretty Baller Scott. God, Scott's just in everything. And what does EBS stand for? Extremely Baller Scott. Just so you know.
Or you could just use extremely bad Scott if you had to do that. If you had to be a party pooper.
Okay, this works. Nah, I don't want to be a party pooper. Let him have his moment of glory. Nobody uses it. Martin is just salty. It's okay. Don't be salty. I mean, we're not on a fair playing ground. You know, I had more years than you exposed to the community. Quick, everyone, change place while he's gone. We will wait for your arrival. Fish is full of jealous people. Yes, like myself. Like myself, that is true.
Extremely bullshitty system.
He is telling correct. What can you say? You know, Mai is also this problem only. I don't know why I'm afraid. Looks as if he's disarming a bomb. Did he just use some satellite shit in the last stream, I think? Yeah, satellite shit. I did. I hacked the NSA and all of Europe, I guess. Updated doesn't count. PJ Salt. Extremely bullshitty system. I mean, somebody's, you know, very salty with their yabs. More years exposed with the community. Yes, that's... Come on, you know it's true. You have 5 messages on Relic as a whole.
Friendly reminder, I have more views on my shitty YouTube video from 2013 than Marine has on PBS Plus.
And then my entire channel as well. Yep. Look at this guy. You have 5 messages on Relic as a whole. Yes, that's because I'm not whoring myself around. This guy.
Though I don't think you... I think you have way more viewers than me. Like, views in general.
You'd be surprised. It's not that much. The biggest video on my channel is the trailer for EBS.
You have 77,000 views total. Let's see, what about me?
Yeah, 77,000.
I have 6,412 views total.
It's pretty baller. PBS pretty baller statistics. Oh, boom. There we go. They may come from your mom. They may come from... Yeah, my mom watches my videos 77,000 times.
That
I
feeling
have more views on my YouTube channel than any
so
that
I actually have a... speaking of popular shit, I actually have an anecdote. So the domain I have for for @channel, like the recreation of @channel.
Yes.
Also, that domain was apparently so popular that Freenom, who provides free domains for like certain extensions, they said, no, you can't re-register this. Your domain is unless you want to pay. Your domain is too popular.
No, not the popularity.
Yeah. Also, Moraine, I have no fucking clue how many users my bot serves. It serves at least 1,000.
Oh, name. What the heck?
Because I haven't actually created any statistics on that.
Yeah, that's a shame. I started with the statistics creating business as well, way too late. I should have done it before. Like, EBS would have had at least 500,000 downloads by now. And then Marion would have been crying in his corner. No.
That's not even a problem, man. That doesn't matter. But I haven't made it for Discord bots because that's just how many users it's currently serving. But I haven't actually created that yet, and well, I need to make the Markov chain function for it first before I consider that. So, Moraine.
Name.
How many?
What the heck did I name it? Name. What the? This is so stupid.
How many members do you moderate a server of?
2.
No, wait, like how many members are in like total in the servers?
I know.
Moderate.
He probably has 2 members. Maybe that's a bit too much. See, this is what I was talking about. Maybe I should get rid of this and render it through script. Last item used, so it's last bag. Battle bag last. Where the heck is it?
Where's the main queen server when I need it?
Oh, it uses. Oh god. Why do I have to complicate it? So bitmaps 1. God damn it. Bitmaps 1. There we go. Refresh.
0.
Text outline.
Yes, I technically moderate that.
Pocket 4. Cell.
Yeah, Moraine, the answer for how many people you moderate are 0.5 people.
Pocket 4. Pocket 4. Okay, so that's in the update. I guess I should do this same thing with the...
Also, feel free to count duplicates, Moraine, because I'm doing so too.
Yeah.
Because it's a hassle to adjust.
He needs all the help he can get.
No, it's just a hassle to adjust.
I know, I'm being facetious. Wait. Please just tell me I've named this back at least one thing that makes sense. From cancel. Yes, back. Okay. Back the bitmap. No, that's the background. No.
Let's see, is there anything? Well, there is the game server that I do moderate.
Battle back button. Battle back button. Oh, so that's bitmap. Great. Bitmaps 2. I just want to see what I've assigned Pocket 5. Oh, that makes sense. That's great job, Luca. Great job. Pocket 4 and Pocket 5. That's so good. Okay, so 320 plus 80. Let's go to the update.
So, Moraine, 1409 members, like on Discord, is what I'm moderating.
320, and hopefully I didn't break the game. Oh, the joys of coding and bug fixing.
Yep. I'm moderating a 12,000 member subreddit.
Oh boy. Moderoids everywhere. And I'm here struggling with our Discord server, which is like, what, 150 users by now, I think? Something like that.
That's not even, like, nothing happens on the Discord.
I know exactly. It's a barren wasteland. I mean, sorry, it's less frequented, to keep it polite. But yeah, it's not too heavily... Oh.
Like, it's not a hard place to moderate.
Yep.
Let's see, how many...
Is what we were saying. So that's not it. Oh, no. Wait. Oh, I want this. Okay, so it's minus. If it's greater than...
Yeah, so Moraine, you're not moderating 1409 Discord members. I want to see proof. Oh. Well, fuck me, it's Thundaga.
Oh, it's Thundaga. Oh, that's not even his own. Oh, look at this guy.
I forgot about Thundaga.
Same. Forgot he was a mod there. He's like, oh, look at me, I'm so cool.
Well,
that guy.
It still doesn't beat my 12,000 on the Steins Gate subreddit.
5 messages as a whole. To fix how many users does your bot even serve? Wait, I'm just catching up with the chat. You can continue. Your own stuff. Oh, pseudonym is back. Hello, chap there. How many users is the bot? No, it may come from your mom. Yes.
I still like how pseudonym wrote his name.
Yes, of course. I don't know. Should we expose? You know, I mean, this stream is titled very cleverly and not clickbaity at all. Pokemon Essentials Exposed.
Well, we need to expose something, don't we?
Yeah. Well, we could have exposed a lot of things, but people just they didn't send me the photos, man. I even put it in the title, Sapnu Puas. It's right there.
I mean, we need to expose your plans to add Amakuri to the server, which I've said for like the 3rd time at this point.
You just want the bot, but I don't think it's gonna happen anytime soon. What the fuck did it just join in on? Spoopy Chroma. I have no idea. It's just stops happening. Just guessing. I have... Ooh, this guy. 400k views, man. Scott, you're... Jeez. Serving. 45 servers. Give me a bit to count. The answer is 0.5. You dropped your pocket. Same. I should film myself while I make games on RPG Maker. I swear, when I get the same error 10 times. Yeah, it's the same thing with me here.
Though...
As well.
Though, Moraine, I can also argue that your 7,000 members weren't grown from scratch.
Ruffled Rowlet. Oh, look at this guy. This guy is expanding his like crazy mod reaches. This guy is a mod everywhere. I swear.
But
like there's two things.
The difference here is he's grown none of those communities himself.
But come on, he's a PC mod. That's like this huge, man. But yeah, this guy, I swear,
didn't grow the community himself.
He works on every single like one of those big name Pokemon Essentials projects and is part of like is a mod on every single community. I mean, it's good stuff. It's good stuff.
And Moraine, I grew the community, like all the communities I'm a mod of myself.
Sort of not. Well, that's true, but easy though. Not easy though.
Except Game Dev Cafe. Hello. Hello Windows update. The fall creators update.
Is it coming?
Yeah, I actually just got a notification for it.
Oh, that's great. I killed my services for Windows Update, and I don't want it to even show me its existence at all. Let's see if this fixes it.
Remind me tomorrow. Yep. Windows.
Excellent.
I don't want to do it tonight.
You gonna update?
Yeah, I mean, it comes with some features, sure.
To be honest, I didn't even I didn't even read the new change logs and everything, what it comes with. But I just know from experience, like every single time I update Windows, my graphics driver dies. And man, it's such a pain in the butt. Wait, okay, so what did I say? Back button in back UI does not reappear. Okay, so that's fixed. And what did I say? Mouse functionality for the back button.
But Moraine, I'm talking specifically on Reddit.
So what's the B
Poké
button?
community doesn't qualify as Reddit.
Input C. I just need the cancel option somewhere. Man, fixing bugs is such a joy. Like, the thing I hate doing most is digging through code and fixing bugs. But lately, that's all I've been doing.
I heard that as dating through code.
No, digging through code.
But I
still haven't found a way to date my code. I tried, but I failed. If only one day. You never know, you know, technology. One day, we may be able to date our code.
Man, it's been 5 months
already
since I made my first 4 months, and I'm 4 months since I made my first appearance in stream.
Oh my god.
Nearly 5 months.
That's a while back.
Yeah.
I didn't know these streams went on for so long. It feels like I've started it yesterday. Only I didn't. Wait, that's the back?
This is live stream number 24 apparently.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, the last one was 23. Yeah. It's been a while, but it feels like no work has gone on the streams.
Pretty much.
Honestly, like at times I just like I feel like no work has been done. Okay, so this. Yep, it doesn't work. But in theory, it should.
Oh yeah, the phone Pokegear thing exists. I completely forgot about it.
I think I know what the problem is. For I in 0 to 6.
Yeah, what are you actually working on? Oh yeah.
I'm trying to fix bugs for the UI, and one of the bugs is the back button in the bag UI is not working with the mouse. So I'm looking at it, and this is like the trigger that tells me whether or not I can use the mouse. Because the code for the mouse clicks is there.
I suppose I should also get working on something. And I can tell that I need to move my microphone closer because it sounds like a little muffled. No, it should be better now.
It's okay on my end. I don't. How's the audio quality from my end? I haven't.
Yeah, that's great as usual.
I bought a pop filter finally.
I have a pop filter. I just haven't. It just doesn't reach. It just does not reach all the way to my face. When I have the microphone this far up.
That is quite the conundrum.
Yep, pretty much. And I don't have a way to attach it anywhere closer. Jesus Christ.
So index should be...
let's see, where is my putty and my FileZilla? So... Are
you gonna hack into my phone?
No,
I'm
just...
nudes?
Fuck no.
Put it right in my gallery, right there.
Fuck no. That'd be gay.
Such a party pooper.
Besides, I wouldn't want that on the internet.
No, it's okay. I'd keep it confidential.
Right.
Yes. Wait, okay, so
I swear I suck at writing passwords right now. There we go. CD home amakuri logs FGL. So I have the Sunbow beef bowl logs cleaned, but I forgot that that was a thing. So I need to download this again.
Index is the cell pocket is 0 maybe. No, but this is.
And then I need to find my Visual Studio Code.
Oh, the joys. Okay, this part is okay. I think it's.
And search by.
I think this
search by that.
Now we're just muttering to ourselves. What's this guy? What's the chat saying? PCS 654K. Ooh. Okay. Look at the Pokegear and the Pokédex script you've been developing. Oh my god, I completely forgot about the Pokegear script. I know for a fact the Pokédex script is broken when it comes to version 17 of Essentials. And moving forward, I'm pretty much just going to work and test with the latest copy of Essentials, so it's going to be version 17. So I got to rework my Pokédex again for version 17. And when I finish that up again, I'm going to bundle it with the UPI, and then the UPI is going to be locked to be only compatible with version 17 and above. Which some people may not like, but you know, we gotta look forward to the future. But the Pokédex script and Pokégear currently are only compatible with version 17, but given that, not 17, 16, but given that 17 is the latest, and given that I still have to work on all those kind of scripts, I'm pretty much just going to focus on making it compatible with 17. Especially when it comes to the Pokédex script, because the Pokédex script has been changed like completely. It's not even... And the Pokégear script as well. It's... mind blown. It's different a bit now. Okay, not completely, but man. And yes, like Pseudonym would say, use the latest version of Essentials, man. Oh yeah, that phone Pokégear thing still exists as well. Yeah, man, I completely forgot about that. I don't even have it on this copy of Essentials. Like, I don't even have my custom menu on here. I didn't port stuff over. It's just the UPI stuff. But I did make a compatible script for the menu. I will eventually, like, I will make another stream probably next week on Friday, and by then I'll have everything fixed. What am I working on? EBS bugs, yes.
Interesting. So
new version of
this is really interesting. So basically, what I'm doing right now is I'm cleaning up some chat logs for my Discord bot, because I need to make it. I want to make a Markov chain for it. And apparently Linux handles emoji, like the exact same script on Windows and Linux. Well, on Windows won't run. It will simply hold at an emoji, but on Linux it'll run through just fine. No changes in the script. So that's really interesting.
I don't know, man. I have no experience with the bots. So to me, you're just talking Greek.
Well, I'm just talking about Python scripts in general, honestly.
Yes. Very popular on Linux, but it's not on OS though. You know, like we've said before, like you've said before. Pseudonym updating to a new version of Essentials while you edit the script is not a lot, isn't it? As easy, man. Sure it is, as long as you've kept track of your changes, which you should be doing. Yeah, you should keep track of your changes. Look at that sass in the comments. Oh, I need
to get this.
Now I want to test this out.
Regex.py. fgl/@channel.log. Output that to fgl/@channel clean.txt. Fuck.
Over is true. It's true. But the click, it's not working.
Oh.
So that's not even the same place. Oh, snap. That didn't even trigger this.
Did this convert as it's supposed to? No, it did not. Unless, of course...
I think I know what it is. No, I don't even have it as self.finish. Oh, it's right here. That makes sense.
I ran that twice.
That makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, input.update first. Oh, what did I do? Nothing. Look at this. Look at this. One line of code out of order and it breaks everything. See that? Now that's smart. Smart coding.
Honestly, I think I have... Do I need to convert more for this server? No, I don't, because I have the majority. Well, maybe I want to... Okay, there's actually 2 more I want to convert. 1. Yeah, 1 more channel I want to clean.
Is it the Game Dev Cafe?
Amakuri hasn't locked in Game Dev Cafe, so...
Yeah, exactly my point. Oops. Okay, so now it works. Great. It works. But the mouse input doesn't work for these. Ah, looks like I haven't coded a mouse input here. It doesn't work here. That's interesting. So the bag UI as a whole has no mouse input except this selecting part.
Okay,
no, I know why. Are you seriously gonna be like that? Input.update. Are we seriously gonna be
cutting
like that?
that in half. Does that have any email addresses in it? Run the regex scan? No, it doesn't.
Ah, look at my frame rate. It's terrible. Terrible. Yeah. And even when you look at this when I move the mouse. Look at this. Oh yeah. These frame drops are so nice.
And there's nothing here. Alright, then I can re-upload at channel clean.
No, that didn't fix anything. So now only the back button works.
Time to do the same for Chio Crack.
Did it work when I got rid of this?
And that's only 72 kilobytes, which means I can just take that channel as is.
And erase it from existence.
No, which means I just won't have to split it up into parts.
Now it works. Oh man.
Oh man, that actually got cut down to 35 kilobytes. Interesting.
I would expect him not to be essentials. So just one input.update messes up everything.
Do you really need 2,000 characters worth of Did you really need 2,000 characters of Ho and Choma laughs? It's the 6th message in this channel.
Where? Your own stuff.
Yeah, my own stuff.
I don't know why this is not. Look at this. You take this input from here, you put it here, And then it doesn't work. Maybe if I put this as well. Maybe if I put everything up here.
There's no reason to keep anything else. Actually, maybe. If this has what I think it has, then it's worth keeping. If this has what I think it has, it's worth keeping.
Stupid mouse input. Should have never made it a thing. Is it worth keeping?
Perhaps not this channel.
Yeah, it works.
Oh, bloody
No, this doesn't work again. Ah.
There we go. This channel is worth keeping. Now, this channel is worth keeping. Because this could generate plausible roleplay, like using this file. It could generate plausible, but not any, like not always sensible roleplay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man. Yep, I'm totally going to go for this. Alright. Time to do it. But that also means outside 3.log.
First finish, then update. Update main is going to be input.
There we go. That should have generated a outside 3 clean log. Then I need old outside 3.2. How is that written? I forgot. There we go. Old underscore outside 3. Ah, fuck. I wrote that wrong. That's because it isn't underscore, but dash.
Okay, I need to merge this with the update somehow.
So time to clean out anything that isn't explicitly listed as cleaned. Testing room.log. No, there's no reason to keep ground 0.log. That is cleaned. Outside 3 clean. A lot of shit I don't really give a shit about. Oh, that is a clean one.
What's happening? Black Ideals. I'm trying to fix up some bugs in EBS. And my guest over here is coding his bot stuff.
Yep,
Very
pretty
interesting
much.
stuff. The life of a programmer.
Pretty much.
Double back. False. Turn false. Now double back. So okay, the priority should be it should be finished then. Window.update.
Why is that empty? Like,
But
why
this
is this
didn't work.
file literally empty?
This didn't work.
Oh. Oh, that's because that's the wrong one. Fair enough. Clean up until... Oh man, I'm actually really tempted to do that. Let's see, what does this contain?
And
Not
then
enough.
When you fix up everything, we add the bot.
You can add the bot now if you really want to. It's just a command I'm working on.
Nah, man. I was just teasing.
Fuck you.
Look, one day. Maybe one day. Or another.
We all know it's never gonna happen, isn't it?
Oh, so now this doesn't work.
Let's see. This sounds about right. Should I keep Dazzling End of the World? There might be something good in there. It's only 8 kilobytes though. That's not enough to keep. Keeping the old outside 3 locks is a stretch too, so up until the next _clean. There we go.
Maybe I can just... Maybe I should just do it like this. Because this is going to become very, very, very annoying very, very soon. Actually put this in an else statement.
All right,
because the return is not gonna...
let's move along to the next server, in which it is literally literally not worth keeping anything but like one channel. That would be TWIWTL/ this __ that.
Will this work?
And that cut that literally down. I realized when cleaning out my stripping the chat logs of their name of the name tags, right? How inefficiently they're stored, because it literally shaves half of the size of it on average.
Interesting. Interesting.
Alpaca Sweeper online. That would be general.log. Alpaca Sweeper online / general clean .txt. That should, in theory, fuel that. No, there's... Okay, why is that not working?
This is broken again. Oh.
Oh, I realize why this is not working. I'm using Windows terminology. I used /, not /.
Sneaky Windows.
There we go.
I've had this thing with Marin as well when it comes to backslashes and forward slashes. I don't know why, like from the first ever testing I've done on like reading Windows directories in RMXP, the only way I could get to a directory was using a /. And now / works as well, so... Lol.
Let's see, that's 507 kilobytes. That should be worth doing. By the way, that's 507 kilobytes of raw... of raw text.
Plenty of text there, boy.
That's not even my largest file. Let's see. That would be May Queen / OUC_chat_clean.txt. Is 170 kilobytes worth? Yeah, it is. Queen_cafe_room _clean text. Fuck. Oh,
Keyboard
never
input
mind.
works.
That worked.
Mouse input doesn't work.
"28 kilobytes is not enough to warrant a clean." And time to delete the originals.
Maybe this thing is overwriting my...
Are these big enough? No, they're not. What about this one? That's 75 kilobytes. No, that's not worth it either. Oh boy. Time to get to the big guns. Let's see. 65 megabytes of raw text.
Solve the button.
Oh boy. Getting to the large guns now.
Big guns.
Yeah, big guns pretty much.
Big guns.
Robotilist music is not necessary. I'd rather keep spoilers out of this. Like, just in case.
Let me try this out.
The meme lab definitely does need to have its place, even though it's only 90
Forward slash
kilobytes.
as long as this in Ruby, as far as I myself know, in paths. Yeah, it definitely has. I don't know. It's obvious I messed up something, but I don't exactly know what, because when I tried forward slashes for my file browser thingy, it didn't. I couldn't get it to work.
That's not necessary either, and anything smaller than that is literally just unusable. So, delete. Alright, time to do it for this server.
And I think I figured out my issue, but the workaround is gonna be so sloppy. It's seriously stupid. I'm just gonna do this. So the problem is in my actual mouse script. It's not in EBS itself.
15 megs.
Which is nice.
So, Luca, do you know about the most efficient way to cut down a file into roughly 100 kilobyte segments? Like
using a knife?
That would kind of hurt my
work?
computer.
I don't know, man. I never tried cutting up files.
All right. Yes, Moraine, we can hear each other.
Yeah, of course, exactly. These guys are in two completely different universes. I mean, yeah, that's what happens when you get two, people working on stuff.
Yeah.
That aren't particularly intertwined together, I guess. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh.
295 is... sorry. And that's fine.
I think I need to update the input here. Just as a hacks thingy.
Oh, no such file or directory. Fuck.
Maybe you used the wrong slash.
No,
Mario
not
wouldn't
this
know
time
anything
around.
about it.
Oh, that's
And
why.
this is also another thing. Marin, you keep complaining. You're just like la 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 talking smack about us, but you never want to join. I mean, the doors are
Yeah.
open, bro. You know, the doors,
Yeah,
everything
Marin.
is set up for you to join. And you're being, you know...
You're being a cuck as
uncooperative.
usual.
Yep, that didn't fix shit.
And oh boy, I'm gonna go ahead and use the politics channel from this server. That's gonna go well.
So apparently input.update doesn't update. Well, would you look at that, matey?
And last but not least, the meme lab.
You know what? I'm going to do this. Screw this butthole, man.
There we
Such a
go.
Butthole. Def. Finish here. Def.
God damn it, Moraine. We know it's you.
I'm too young to talk. He's too young to talk online. Aww.
Isn't he?
Man.
Isn't he older than me?
I think you're 15, right?
I'm 18.
Yeah, but Marin is 15. So he's too young to talk online, apparently.
Please, I talk to people at that age, no problem. Time to
Yeah, but
remove
this guy's
these
afraid of the
terminals
internet,
as
you know?
usual.
Okay.
I've seen worse.
Yeah, of course, same. So this is what I'm going to do. Self.confirm. I'm pretty sure I didn't use this.
I doubt Moraine is actually 15.
He says, yeah, he's 15.
Yeah, no, I don't believe that.
Ah, well. You never know.
/general
Okay.
_ log. Sorry, it's 60 actually.
No, but this
should.
bullshit is gonna override everything again. Except these two. These two work.
Oh boy, converting 21 megs of raw text. I suppose this would have been like this is way quicker than it would have taken otherwise. Let's see, did it finish converting? Yes, it did.
I'm gonna go like if at mouse.left click. So in order to eliminate the multiple mouse uses, because that doesn't work.
Moraine, I've seen worse accents than yours. I speak with Indians on a semi-daily basis.
I know that feeling as well.
So no.
What else? If at index is equal to 5.
Actually, fuck it. These are so small. It's actually not worth keeping.
Oh, nope. Okay, so let me check.
Yes, I said Indian.
Double back, not double back.
Bot is not worth keeping. Zero spoil is not worth keeping. Voice discussion. Oh man, that's definitely worth keeping. There's some juicy shit in there.
He said, wait, I was joking, but the reason I don't talk is because I can barely make out what I say when I speak. Thanks to my wonderful shitty Dutch accent. I'll fucking prove it here. Actually, I don't. I don't have my ID here. Is somebody saying this guy?
This guy's literally just trolling us, honestly.
What's new?
Nothing really.
This eliminates these.
Spoilers out. Alright. Really delete 9 files from the server. Yes, really delete 9 files from the server. Oh boy, I actually did not take into account how Linux would handle semicolons in the URL in the file names. So I'll just call it containment. Containment / general
either B or
output
trigger
to
C on this X file. And so if input is B, this is gonna close this. I can get rid of this bracket then. We don't want no syntax errors. Double back, cell pocket. Okay. And now self dot.
that feeling when there's only 3 people watching, and it's probably the 3 of us. It bloody is.
It probably is just the 3 of us. People saw all the bugs in EBS and they're like, "Yeah, fuck this shit. I'm out of here. We don't want to see you finish up no EBS. Give me new stuff. Give me new UI." But hey, it's got to be done. And as always, this thing is gonna be archived as well. Else if. Okay, input trigger B. Okay, so C and not double back and index is less than this. Then this can be either input B or input C if index is 5. Okay. I hope I didn't break something too badly, you know?
There we
it's
go.
just the cool kids now. There we go. Three people watching. So it's definitely
Oh,
you,
4
me, and
people.
Marin. I only see 3 right now.
Yeah, it just updated on mine.
And I honestly hope, like, it doesn't count me. I mean, it counts me inside, you know?
Yeah, it does. It also counts
that's
me.
Great. That's great. It's priceless, man. But daijobu. This is just the intro to streams. Once I get, like, fancier stuff moving, it's gonna be doper. And I'm planning on, you know, kind of announcing in advance what I'm going to be doing on the stream, so people don't just randomly join in and join out if it's not their cup of tea, you know? I'm gonna say, bro, I'm gonna be spending 3 hours fixing bugs. If you don't like it, that's a shame.
GTFO.
Yeah. And look at this. Oh, baby. It's a triple. Oh, baby, a triple.
Oh, baby, a triple.
And it works. Beautiful. So I fixed this part.
Oh, fuck. I accidentally made all of these .log files. Just gonna make them .txt instead.
Oh, I gotta fix this part. Item bag window.ret. So bag window dot ret. Now that's a use item.
How long have I been making .log files? Alright, only for this server, thank god. That was tech. Time to do it for the memes channel.
I'm actually curious about this. P at index. Because I think I know I gotta... I think they all left because you didn't say you'd keep it short. So they thought this would go on and on and on and be boring, so it's practically... Look at this guy. Again, come on, join us, man. One day you have to. I think they all left because you didn't say you'd keep it short. So they all thought this would go on and on and on and be boring. So it's practically awful. But all of my streams go on and on and on and are boring. So I don't understand what you're saying, mate.
And images and wallpapers.
So this back button works. Oh, so it's not here. Oh.
Oh fuck, you got a point.
Yep. Yep, there we go. There's the confidence.
Did that really manage to cut that down by literally... Oh man, might actually not be worth keeping the images and wallpapers folders. Sorry, Falson. Because... You're alive! Oh man, people are joining back in.
Oh, again. Oh, that guy T. Oh my god. Yes, we're alive.
And we have one Anon watching.
Wait, it's for... Oh, there's
5.
Guys, start typing in the chat, man. What is this? This is not acceptable. Cell pocket 0. Okay, so this guy. I don't think it's here. But red. It just returns the variable. Wait, I gotta study this a bit more. Item bag window. Bag window red nil. Oh, so that's already... okay. So jumps from bag window. I don't even remember how I did this crap. So that's gonna be later.
Oh man, there are 2 email addresses in here.
Hide. Pocket? Okay, pocket.
Well, more actually. That is a user, so that's not wrong. That is not an email. Not an email.
Scratch.
That's a fake email too. That is a fake email. That's stay. That is probably not fake.
I love when this happens.
I've been really productive actually.
Hello? Is the line still open?
I am.
Okay. Okay, just checking because my everything on my screen crashed.
Yeah, I could tell from the audio on the stream actually because that was lagging out.
Yeah, it's not just the audio. Pretty much all the good stuff. Here's chat. Chat is back up. This is back up. What do we have on main display? RGSS. Microphone screen. Okay, this one's not working as well. Let's see. And now it's showing up that stupid scroll bar. Well, actually, that might have been there. No, actually, that was there the whole time. But jeez, I don't think I've streamed once, like over an hour and a half, let's say, where everything went smoothly. You know, no crashes, nothing. But I guess I am.
Fuck.
I switched us to the break. I guess I am stressing out my laptop a bit too much.
Thing that was rot 48 through rot 13.
Yes, and I shall pretend like I know what the hell you're talking about.
Like rot 13 is rotate by 13 letters in the alphabet. So and rot 48 is by 48 letters, which means they use maybe numbers and special characters too. So yeah. Is there any more emails I need to keep a look at? No, it does not look like it. Yeah, no, that's all emails in this general chat. It's time to re-upload.
Where's the overall generator? Yeah, where's the overall generator?
Yeah.
Well, I just finished the Z moves list. Oh, that's interesting. Define
Time
what
to
move
once
effects
again
go
clean
here.
out.
Oh, move to Z move. Reset users lower stats. Holy crap, that's a lot of stuff. Raise special attack by 1 stat.
That has...
What's the base power multiplier for Z moves? Actually, I have no idea how the mechanic works in general. So, that's fun.
I'll just remove this virtual host config. I can keep this because that's not an email. That's not an email either. Oh, that's the default one. That doesn't matter. Like, I'm basically just removing any sensitive information I can think of using regex. Like, I'm looking at emails. There we go. That is about right. That is at the very least as clean of personal information I can get it.
Base power of this plus 80. Soon we'll have the power of 2 Z moves.
And let's see. Nope, nothing there.
So it's looking for back.
Out here. No, nothing here either.
So this is the main loopity-loopity-doop. So if mouse over... gotta return true. Look, are you hyped for Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon? I'm not really, no. Can't say that I am. I don't know, I still haven't played Generation 7 in general, so... It's not...
I haven't finished Generation 7. Like, I have a save right over on the table that I just haven't done anything with.
I haven't even started, man.
Okay,
I did
so
not
that's not an email address, so that's literally irrelevant. What about this one?
So if back.
Nope. Might want to look through these two because these are not actually clean, that they could contain email addresses.
So over should be true as well. In here. The only thing that could possibly be a butthole is mouse dot left click. But I don't see the structure. I don't see another left click. So what would be interfering? It's just in area and mouse over. It's quite interesting. So I bought a Switch and Zelda Breath of the Wild. Oh, kind of boring. Oh no. Oh, my heart is pierced. Oh. Oh no. No. Zelda is not boring, my dude. No. I'm really sorry to hear that. That's like it breaks my heart, man. Shouldn't be boring, man.
That's an email.
Wait, actually, where is this update even called?
Welcome, Welcome, Mushworks.
Oh, Mushworks back. And Shadow Chico NL. Feels bad, man. Yeah, definitely feels bad, man. How's it going? You're doing great. I think we're doing okay as well ourselves, right? So that's why.
Alright, so that was literally everything I needed for that upload.
So that is why.
Time to look at more email addresses. Nope, nothing here. That would be General 4. There is something email address like here. Oh boy. I can keep this email address because it's become a meme at this point. Let's see. That is a public email address, so I don't care about that.
Here's it parsed. Let me see what images man is sending us. How excited am I for Super Mario Odyssey? If I could get my hands on it, I would be super excited for it. I mean, the game looks like insanely fun, man. I really would like to play it one day. I do have a Switch, but the only games for the Switch I have are Mario Kart 8 and Zelda. And I have to say, I did invest a lot of time in my Zelda game. I definitely not boring at all. But yeah. I don't know, man. I just started, like... Actually, it was a while back. Since I bought the DLC, when the DLC was announced and stuff like that, I did get Master Mode, so I did start playing the whole game on Master Mode as well. And to be honest, the game isn't that much more difficult on Master Mode, except the very beginning part of it, which, like, kicks your butt. And then Eventide Island is a bitch on Master Mode. Same thing with Trial of the Swords. Trial of the Swords. Beginning Trials, floor 10. That's... why? Why would you come up with such an idea? It's grotesque. So bad, dude. It killed my butthole. Self-dot into pocket.
There we go, that's all for this channel. Why did I not clean out this directory again? There we go, now it's cleaned out.
Zelda equals boring. No! Don't trigger me. No, just kidding. I'm hyped for the game because it reminds me of Super Mario 64. I've never played Super Mario 64. In fact, I didn't play too many Mario games. I've played Galaxy 1 and 2. I've played most of the side-scrolling platformers. Not the old school ones, but the newer ones. So the new Super Mario Bros. For... I've played the one for the 3DS. I think there was one for the DS as well, which I played as well. I've played the new Super Mario Bros. Wii, when it was on the Wii, when it came out. And I played 3D Land and 3D World. And that's pretty much all the exposure I have with Mario. I didn't play all the old school ones, the best ones, sort of. I didn't even play Sunshine. Never had Sunshine. But yeah, 64, everybody praises 64 as the best Mario game, and I'm just sitting here, you know, masturbating. Okay, let me see. If
Time to download all these into this so I can work on that in Windows Explorer.
And end. Over.
I actually had this done far sooner than I thought I'd had this done. Though, I suppose it's time now to clean that, like to split out the documents, so fuck me. And I have... I have to split that out into 100 kilobyte sections.
Yep.
And some of this shit is multiple megabytes.
It's gonna take
Even
a while,
after...
is that the point?
Yeah. Let's see, I have this one, the largest file I have, after stripping them of timestamps and names. After that, it's 24 megabytes. 24 megabytes of raw text.
Yeah, it's nothing, bro. Soon we'll have text, raw text, that's gonna be like 1 gigabyte at least in size. Oh boy,
No, because Amadeus Carrizo isn't logging anymore, so it won't really get anything more.
Yes, but what? Think about this. What if our computers become so powerful that text is going to take up huge amounts of space in order to look nice? Think about it. It could happen.
Oh man, this might actually be useful. Is this Linux? Please say it's Linux.
Dude. Ever since the freaking crash, I've been getting such shit frame rates. It's unbelievable, man. And I don't know what I broke here. I think this was designed properly, probably. Why you haven't played Mario 64, Luca? It's literally the currently greatest 3D Mario game ever. You have to play it.
I
even if you haven't emulated it.
I haven't played it either. So
yeah, I don't know. Like lately, I'm not big into games. I used to abuse the heck out of my Wii back in the days, but you know, now I've grown old, an old fart. I only play Zoldo. Yeah, seriously, the only game in the last 5 years that I've actually properly played was Breath of the Wild, and that guy T says it's boring. Oh, it breaks my heart. You know, it breaks
meanwhile, I'm on a esports thing at school, so
oh, you have those kind of things.
Yeah.
Man, that's cool. That's cool. My frame rate is dying. My laptop is dying. Such crappy performance. But anyway, that's one more bug. Actually, 2 more bugs fixed. So, fix the UI elements. What's next on the agenda? I'm not going to be able to go through all of this at once. But I do believe I have realized that my mouse script is not that good. So once thought, I don't know, I'll have to look into it eventually for future references. I have no idea why it times out the second, like, it doesn't let you to perform 2 mouse click checks in a row. Like, what? I don't think I've encountered this before. Weird. What did I say? Back button. Okay, that's fixed. 5 menu back button, no mouse function. Okay, let me fix that. And the next gen UI. Next gen data box. I think command window is here, yes. And fight is right there. So what's the back button? Back button is back button, simply. Boom. Okay. Update, update, update. Mouse over pixel. Oh, I understand why I did that. Okay, that's smart. Mouse over pixel.
This is actually a surprisingly few amount of files, but well, that's going to be a lot more now.
Oh,
that's going to be increasing.
Oh, snap. Back button.
Where's my
I
putty?
think I need to find this. Yep. If CW index trigger right. And define mouse over. Man, I'm gonna have the same freaking issue. Yep. Or right click. Right click cancels the. Oh. Okay. That's cool, I guess. You know what? I don't think. Oh, this is seriously. This performance is bothering me. What's the output? About 5k kilobits per second. That's nice,
Yeah.
I guess.
Well.
Yep. Stream output is okay.
Yeah.
Jeebus.
Let's see.
I go to fight. Okay, right click works. If defined, and then we're going to go cw dot. Go back. Yes. Let's do it like so. And I bet this is not gonna work either. Return at mouse. You know what? Add back button, mouse it over a back button, and input dot trigger ex at mouse dot button. Boom! Convenience like a pro. Fight menu. The class should be here. No. Above. Yep, there we go. Def, go back. False. There we go. Legacy support, you guys. Legacy support. How many people watching? Oh, 4 again.
So or something like that.
Who's the unknown variable? 1,200.
I have no fucking clue.
How's the left click? Great. Forgot another bracket. I think I'm going to start cutting the stream short somewhere around here when I confirm that this either works or doesn't work, because I can't work on my machine anymore. I'm seriously getting such bad frame rates. This is insane in the membrane. Look at this, and it's even worse as soon as I drag my mouse. Look at this. Oh yeah, mouse action. Some kinky stuff. Undefined method button. For game underscore mouse. Didn't I just confirm it exists? Question mark. My bad, dude. My bad.
Let's see. That is called 9
Try this
bytes.
again. Let's try this again. And Jeez. Jeez Louise. Spinnerack. Let's go fight. Okay, this selection works. And if I go here, and it works. Boom. There we go. There we go. I think that sorts out all the mouse related UI problems. And if I click tail whip, it's gonna, of course, accept. Boom. There we go. Okay, that's another thing fixed. And that's it. So I can test it out while I'm at it as well. Let's try the gain EXP while catching. And I think there should be a setting for that here, right? I mean, it's so... When people say bug when gaining EXP during capture and then don't post the full error report, I just want to, you know...
That's annoying. That's
eat
really
my
annoying.
eyes. No Mega Evolution, no money gain. So where can you toggle this gain EXP thing? Initial money, max coins. Text depends on location. Show Dex. Nope, that's not it. Storage boxes. Use auto curve. Blah blah blah. Gain EXP for capture. There we are. True. Let's see what the error exactly is. So I've been told, but I have yet to experience it. That's because my stuff was off. Gen 6 mechanics, man. Good stuff. Get bag. Pokeballs.
The stream is ending?
What do you mean the stream is ending?
Oh, you said goodbye. I was like,
No. Not yet. I'm trying to test this error first. Pikachu gained 50 XP points. And what's the bug? So there is no bug. What? What? Seriously, I've gotten an email that said my game crashes when I capture a Pokemon and gain EXP. And now I did the same thing, so... So what's the problem exactly? Use the math, the ball. And... Moment of truth. Gotcha, Spinarak was caught. Boom. Pikachu gained 40 XP points. Spinarak's data was added to the Pokedex. Bug. Would you like to give a nickname? I would not.
we're up to 6
Story in box
viewers
one.
again.
6 viewers? Oof, growing.
Though,
Continually growing.
all anonymous but us two.
Oh, even Marin left?
At least as far as I can tell.
Figures that Marin left as well.
I mean, Marinus is
that guy.
ahead. Just kidding.
Set EXP. Range 8,000 to... Maybe it's when it levels up that it crashes. So I'm going to test that hypothesis as well. Just to be thorough. But I'm not imagining it, right? Nobody saw a crash? Yep, chat agrees with me.
There's
I'll
literally
take the
nothing in
silence.
chat.
I know, I'll take the silence as a yes.
Lol.
Yep. Okay, Master Ball again. And the crash is... Pikachu
This
gained 49
should all
XP.
be
Pikachu grew to level
completely
21.
compatible.
Trying to learn double team, can't move, learn, nope. So everything works. Yes. Nope. Excellent. Okay, so I can cross this off my list as well.
.txt. Alright, everything is in txt. Well... Fuck. What is the easiest way to split a single file into chunks of 100 kilobytes? Because that's what I need to do at this point.
You asked me the same thing a few minutes ago and I still didn't know.
Yeah, but now it's even more important because that's the step I'm actually at now.
Wait, you're doing it in Python, right?
I
saying
literally
Python?
don't. Well, I did all the cleaning in Python, but I literally don't care if it's Bash or Python or whatever it is for splitting it. So yeah, for splitting it into 100 kilobytes, preferably by line.
By line.
Yeah, like a line on the file, so it doesn't cut explicitly at 100 kilobytes.
But it doesn't need to be done through your code. It can be done through another tool or something.
Yeah, like it can be done through a Bash, for example. But I can't really make that work.
I don't know. I could look into whipping something up in Ruby after the stream, but I really don't know. Let me see.
But yeah, like
yeah.
if it can be done by line, that would be great.
So what if the line exceeds 100 kilobytes? It like jumps into a new file. No, wait. What?
Yeah, basically.
Okay.
Like not
Wait,
basically.
so split each line into a separate file, or
No. Once, like, take as many lines as you can until it reaches 100 kilobyte, then.
And if the next line doesn't fit, have the next line in the next file.
Yeah, and so on.
Oh, okay.
Because 100 kilobytes of lines, yeah, you could. Discord actually doesn't support that. That only supports 2 kilobytes max.
No idea, dude. I don't know. I could look into something. See if I can come up with anything that's smart. And then you could run it through your Essential game. Yay.
No, but wouldn't that have to run through RGSS?
Well, if I'm going to write it in Ruby, I have no other thing to edit and compile stuff on my machine at the moment. Actually, I have nothing except Ruby and Unity on my... I mean, not Ruby, RMXP and Unity. I have no editors for anything. I need to install Visual Studio again. Nope.
Not even Visual Studio Code?
Nope. Got none of those.
Wow.
I'm stuck with MonoDevelop for Unity, but I do want to switch over to Visual Studio. But it's just like... lately I've been cleaning out my disk space. And been deleting a lot of stuff. I mean, Visual Studio is freaking bloatware. It's huge. It's huge, man. Huge chunks of data get stored in Visual Studio. Yep. I don't know how and where I'd approach it. It's interesting. Like, because it's got to simultaneously read the file contents, keep up with the bytes of the read file content, and then create new files accordingly. Without cutting out any messages. So it's got to be humanly readable as well.
I mean, there is a Bash tool to do this, but I can't make the Bash tool to do that work.
But what do you mean there is one to do it?
Like, there's a Bash tool built into Bash to do exactly what I want, but I can't make it work.
Why?
Because it spits out an error.
Oh boy. I don't know. Like I said, I'll try to look into it. I'm not promising anything. As usual. No promises. Oh. The worst Yu-Gi-Oh! Structured decks of all time.
Alright, so... if I try to do this... Ah, fuck. restart session.
6 still watching. That's a
Clean.
lot.
Clear.
But yeah, I think I'm going to cut the stream short right about now because, like I said, I'm having a lot of everything was going smoothly and then the crash happened on my end, and
All right.
whoop-de-doo. Again, nothing new, but still, it's so annoying. And I can't figure out what it is. Like at the beginning, it was Windows pushing some of my hardware into power saving mode, and I went through each and every single hardware device manually and disabled the turn off to conserve power or something like that. And it's even stupid. I mean, I'm plugged into freaking full charge and it still does it. I remember my brother was really pissed when he sent messages and he's saying like, Windows keeps turning off my audio devices, my so ones. And I'm like, yeah, it's conserving power. And he's like, but I'm on a freaking PC. And it's still on a PC as well. So stupid design choice, in my opinion. But yeah, what did I want to say as well? All right, the Universal Windows app for Skype.
Pretty bad.
Boy. Oh boy, man. I've
Right.
noticed the trend is pretty much that like all the Universal Windows apps suck. Suck hard. Okay. Yep, this is what my desktop screen looks like now. Sweet. Anyway, guys, thank you for tuning into the stream. I know this wasn't very, how should I say it, hyped. It was more of a
Welcome back.
casual reintroduction into the whole streaming business and everything. And I was a bit late because I got rusty and I couldn't I broke most of my settings due to me dicking around in my files and stuff like that. But the streams, when it comes to the software, I think it's fixed out now, and the only issues I'm having still are the random crashes. And I'm looking into it constantly. I have no idea what triggers them. It's because it's really unpredictable. Like I can stream for 2 hours, okay, and then it crashes. Usually it's like at the 1 hour and 30-minute mark, usually, but it can happen before. Oh man, I remember the good old times when my router used to block me every time I tried an upload. So I tried to stream and the guy was saying, nah man, your IP address, too much traffic, so I'm gonna ban you. Good times, good times.
Rip.
Yeah, rip. Literally. Freaking problems every single time. But yeah, I can't work like this. Everything is lagging, even RMXP itself. Like when I open the script editor, it hangs, and then I try to scroll through the scripts and it hangs, and freaking nightmare. But yeah, hopefully this wasn't too bad. I know it was. Look, I do admit myself, bug fixes are quite boring. I really don't think bug fixing is fun, and I think it gets real boring real fast. But hopefully if you've approached this from an educational value, you can hear two random people rambling online for about 2 hours and something. Yeah, we're rambling, and I was fixing some bugs. A few of them I fixed.
And I was working on some shit too.
Unfortunately, it was off camera. Oh, screen sharing though. Oh, that's something to think of for the future.
Oh yeah, Discord screen sharing is a thing.
Yeah, exactly. So multi-people streams at the same time, like 7 people streaming. It's gonna be a cluster shit of different screen activities.
Oh man,
that could be fun though. It could be fun.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it could.
Yeah.
Though it would probably be better, like if there was some sort of proper stream, because Discord screen sharing isn't really all that high quality.
I know. I've tried it. Actually, lately, the last thing I've tried was Discord video chatting, and it works quite nicely. The only weird thing I don't know if it's like some fancy UI design or something, but like we had 3 people in our voice chat, our video chat, and like I was on the very left side of the camera and my brother was on the very right side, and like we got weird artifacts like right at the borders, so our cam video feed, like I don't know, it wasn't refreshing properly right on the edges, so it looked kind of weird. Like I said, I don't know if it's a design thing or if it's just, you know, buggy still, but it's overall, I think it's good. I mean, the voice quality is the same. It's nothing worse, nothing better. And the video quality is not bad. I don't like Discord for all those, like, if you look at the competition of what you have, I think Discord has probably the best performance, like, for everything. I remember my old Skype chats on my phone or FaceTime on my phone, and it's terrible. Terrible.
Rip.
Yep. Anyway, I think I'm gonna start rambling. Start rambling. Yes, we're gonna start rambling now, and I'm gonna let you go in about 5 hours. No, I think I'm going to stop rambling right here. Again, to those of you who joined the streams, thank you. Again, I hope it wasn't too bad. I will be continuing the streams from today on forward, so next week, unless something extraordinary happens in life, next week, Friday, same time, it's gonna happen again. So there's gonna be a stream then. And every other following week as well. And maybe even more times per week. The only thing I need to like figure out is ask around and ask people like what the best time would be for them during the week. Because I know people got schools, some people got work, some people got university, and the timing is all over the place. And then you take into consideration the time zones and everything else. It's just a logistical nightmare. But yeah, that's gonna be it. At least fixed a few bugs. Bug fixing, lovely. I'll think of something better, so something more interesting and something more visual to do next time. I'm going to look, so throughout the next week, I'm going to look into the Pokédex script, porting it over to version 17 of Essentials. And what we may end up doing next stream is going to be working on the Pokégear functionality. So for the functionality, I was thinking of, I don't remember correctly, but achievements were definitely a thing. I can't even open Explorer. That's great. Dope. I don't even know if my audio is being shit on the other side. Actually, let me try to listen to my audio device. What say you?
Me?
Yeah, about you. I like since the crash, I didn't monitor my.
I mean, I've been listening to the audio all the way through. It's been fine.
Okay. So what was I saying? For the Pokégear app, like the included things I wanted to do in there, of course, write a global method of creating the UI for the app itself and everything else, which I think I've already done. I'm not sure, but I think we've gotten quite a bit of work done already. So I know for sure I already have a method to generate status bar. I know for sure that I have a method to like generate individual color palettes for the apps themselves. They're going to be inside of the new thing. Yeah, but notifications were one thing, achievements were another thing, and then just the basic apps, so settings, phone, and stuff like that. Music, nothing too fancy, but I guess we could start doing that next week. Yeah, I guess it could work. But yeah, that's going to be it. I'm going to close the stream now, leave you on the end screen for 20 more seconds, and yeah, until next week. Want to say any parting words?
See you guys next week. Same bad time, same bad channel.
Same awful channel. Yes, we've actually upgraded on the scale of badness. But yeah, you said it right. Same bad time, same bad channel. So yeah, until next week. Bye bye.
Yeah.